Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Debtors reviews. A week ago, we established the concept of having some New Year resolutions. This is Resolution 2018 number 2, Reducing Debtors Days Outstanding. Australia has the dubious title of having the longest debtors days outstanding in the world, 56.4 days. A review was conducted by a UK organisation last year which gave us that very dubious award. I'd much rather win the World Cup than have that award. I believe it's the duty of every accountant to be assisting your clients to try to reduce the significant investment that Australian small, medium enterprises have in debtors, to get them back closer to the traditional 30-day payment terms. My suggestion is that every time you prepare a set of financial accounts for your client, that you ensure that there has been a calculation made of what the debtors days outstanding is, and that there is a conversation with your client about trying to reduce debtors days outstanding. When you conduct this review, if you have clients with debtors days outstanding in excess of, say, 45 days, why not sit down and have a conversation with the client and submit a proposal to them that you will conduct a debtors systems review, with the overall aim, of course, being to implement systems and processes and procedures that will contribute to a reduction in debtors days outstanding, and in so doing will contribute to a significant cash flow benefit for your client. So where would you start? I think you need, first of all, to make sure your client is entering into terms of trade agreements with customers. Most definitely new customers, but if there's older customers, also making sure they have terms of trade agreement that specify the payment time. This document will be very important for personal property securities register purposes, and that has been the subject of a separate Resolution 2018. In fact, it was number 1. So please have a look at that. Are the invoices being prepared and dispatched promptly, preferably daily, to the customer? Is the due date for payment of the invoice clearly shown on the invoice? Because our recommendation is that the emphasis should be on ensuring that customers are paying by the due date of an invoice. Is there an immediate follow-up if payment is not received on the due date? Incidentally, is there a forewarning email sent to the client informing them that payment of their invoice is due? If statements are being prepared by your clients, are they being dispatched to their customers promptly, within 48 hours? At the end of each month is a debtor's aged analysis prepared and analysed. And from that are targeted debtors collections agreed to by the management team. And then someone has the responsibility of actually approaching those debtors to make sure that payments are being made. Is there a written system to assist the person who's got the responsibility of administering debtors in carrying out his or her job? You could edit the ESS SME debtor systems manual so that you have available for your client a personalised debtor systems manual that has been prepared for their use. There are significant cash flow benefits for your client if there is a concerted effort to reduce debtors days outstanding. Even a few days reduction will generate a significant cash improvement for your clients. Perhaps then you could have a further conversation with your client and talk to them about other business advisory services, activities that you could conduct for them and use part of the cash flow saving to finance that extra work, whether it's on a review of the business's system relative to personal property securities register, the preparation of a budget or cash flow forecast, or a business plan, or perhaps even starting to offer chief financial officer services for that client. I'd invite you to click on to the information that is available on our website to view the Debtors Systems Manual and the Debtors Improvement package, so that you would have an idea of what is contained in both of those packages. We are presenting a special webinar as part of our Resolutions 2018 series on Wednesday the 14th of February at 11:30 a.m, reducing debtors days outstanding. I hope you can join us for this free webinar. Good luck with implementing a resolution along the lines that I've talked to you about today on reducing debtors days outstanding for your clients. Have a great day. Goodbye.